Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're taking a closer look at the HP Pavilion Plus 14, a sleek and powerful laptop that's been making waves in the market. Let's jump right in. First impressions count, and the Pavilion Plus 14 certainly doesn't disappoint in the looks department. Crafted from largely recycled aluminum, this laptop exudes a premium feel while also being environmentally conscious. With color options ranging from natural silver to moonlight blue or tranquil pink, you can choose a hue that matches your style. Now, let's talk ports. The Pavilion Plus 14 is equipped with plenty of them, ensuring you'll never be left wanting. From USB Type-C to USB Type-A and an HDMI monitor port, you have all the connectivity you need for your peripherals and external displays. One standout feature of this laptop is its enhanced webcam. With 5-megapixel resolution and a sliding privacy shutter, you can enjoy sharper and more secure video calls. Whether you're catching up with friends or attending virtual meetings, you'll always look your best. But perhaps the most impressive aspect of the Pavilion Plus 14 is its display. Sporting a stunning OLED panel with a resolution of 2.8K. This laptop delivers breathtaking visuals with vibrant colors and razor-sharp details. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or editing photos, the display truly shines. Now, let's talk about the keyboard and touchpad. While the keyboard offers a comfortable typing experience with its backlit keys and decent feedback, the touchpad falls a bit short with its lackluster performance. It's responsive enough for basic tasks, but don't expect anything extraordinary. Under the hood, the Pavilion Plus 14 packs a punch with its AMD Ryzen processor and ample RAM. Whether you're tackling everyday tasks or running demanding applications, this laptop handles it all with ease. And with its long battery life, you can stay productive on the go without constantly worrying about recharging. In conclusion, the HP Pavilion Plus 14 is a fantastic mid-range laptop that ticks all the right boxes. From its superb display and enhanced webcam to its admirable performance and long battery life, it offers everything you need for work, entertainment, and everything in between. While it may be a bit pricey at its regular price, keep an eye out for deals to snag this gem at a more affordable price. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.